This is Logo Identity Analysis for Entrepreneurship 645, tndneighborhoods.com by David Reimel. J.K. Rowling said, "There's always room for a story that can transport people to another place." tndneighborhoods.com is about transporting your life to another place, a place to live your life. For a web information business, this leaves a broad range of options. Starting the process, my thoughts were directed to two options, including one that would not be possible for a business that incorporates more than web information. First would be a digitally altered photo that captures the quality and quaintness of T&D communities. The second would be a simple graphic that captures the elements of traditional construction patterns that are prevalent in quality T&Ds. I started with a photo of the black and white alleyway that inspired my interest in T&Ds. I transferred several T&D photos to black and white. They're nice photos, but quite busy for a logo. Legibility is an issue with the photos, too much to see. It does not create an instantaneous recognition of the website. There's way too much to see on the black and white alleyway. The second photo that I modified was of a school that resides in a T&D neighborhood. Again, with the tree in the foreground of this picture, there's just way too much going on to simplify it down for a logo. The third picture I modified was of a small T&D house. And again, this continues to be a lot to look at, so I tried to take out some of the clutter by zooming in on the picture, but it's still too much for a logo. My second idea for creating a logo was just a simple graphic that is not overwhelming. This proved to be much more legible and conveys a simple, clean message. As it's a stock image, however, it cannot claim to be distinct, and it also misses the mark on creating lasting value. After the first two attempts, it occurred to me that we were not creating anything that was distinct, and it was not supporting our core message. One of the more delightful tasks in building a custom home in a T&D neighborhood is sitting down with an architect and watching them sketch out in real time the ideas that come to your mind about the type of home you'd like to live in. Now, I'm no architect, and I'm certainly not an artist, but I did sketch out a small, simple house, if taken to a graphic designer or an artist, could be drawn into a simple, classy logo. It represents the custom and personal nature of T&D neighborhoods, and it's simple enough that it can be drawn digitally and be used also as a dynamic image on websites. I'm confident that taking this prototype to someone that can draw it into a professional image is the way to go.